Are you also somebody who's constantly tired? सब ठीक कर रहे हो, despite of that you're putting on weight around your abdomen. सर से बाल गिर रहे हैं, acne आ रहा है, pigmentation हो रही है, face is bloated all the time and you feel tired and fatigued despite doing everything right. If this resonates with you, today's video is for you. Today we're going to speak about the most misunderstood hormone. Yes, you heard me right. It's cortisol, the stress hormone. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. So what exactly is cortisol? Cortisol is a hormone secreted by our adrenals, which is also commonly known as the stress hormone. But don't go by the name. This is not the hormone that causes all the stress in the body. ये villain नहीं है. So cortisol actually करता क्या है? It's basically a hormone that helps us regulate your metabolism. It helps us regulate your blood sugar levels, your blood pressure. It keeps your immune system under check. It helps us maintain the sleep and wake up cycle. So this is actually not the villain that we're talking about here. It is something that is needed for all our daily activities. So cortisol is not actually the villain, it's something that we need to survive. Problem tab hoti hai when it is chronically high cortisol is what causes trouble. So cortisol high hota kab hai? When the body is constantly undergoing a lot of stress, चाहे वो stress emotional हो, चाहे वो stress physical हो, if you're going through a crash diet, if you're working out a lot, without adequate recovery in between, अगर हमारी sleep बराबर से नहीं हो रही है, your sleep cycle is dysregulated, so your body stays in a constant state of fight or flight, and that is when it produces a lot of cortisol and hence we experience symptoms. Now जो cortisol control करता है, all of that goes out of control. Your blood sugars raise, your blood pressure stays on the higher side, your sleep becomes derailed and you overall feel very fatigued. Suddenly you feel you've started accumulating a lot of fat around your belly. You start losing hair. Somebody who'd never had acne suddenly is having a crop of acne. Skin becomes red, irritable, and we see a lot of issues when it comes to your skin and your hair. As a dermatologist, I see it in the form of adult acne, premature graying of hair, premature hair fall. I see it as premature aging in a lot of cases. You know, you start noticing fine lines and wrinkles as early on as 20 to 25 years of age. So these are the symptoms that bring you to a dermatologist when you are in a state of cortisol excess. So what exactly is cortisol face? Cortisol face is usually one of your friend who wakes up in the morning with a puffy looking face. When you say, I'm not really ready, I feel very groggy in the morning, face swollen lagta hai, your eyes feel very groggy, they look more sunken or swollen in a lot of cases. The skin does not feel ready for the world as yet, and overall you feel very lethargic. So basically it's a swollen face that has retained a lot of water. It is basically skin that is lackluster and it is a round big face. So is every puffy face a cortisol face and it can be ignored and you can self-diagnose? The answer is absolutely no. Sometimes very serious illnesses like Cushing's syndrome can also represent or present to you as a moon face or a swollen face. So if at all you think it's a condition that you're coming across very often, even if you're a hypothyroid, you can wake up with a condition like this. So अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है that you are waking up with a face that looks different through the day, make sure that you go see a doctor and get yourself evaluated. So now what does cortisol do to the other hormones? Now speaking of men, it decreases your testosterone, it decreases your libido also, and eventually leads to muscle loss. When we talk about women, it dysregulates your progesterone, estrogen. सबसे पहले तो periods irregular हो जाएंगे. It can also amplify your PMS. You will feel more moody, you'll feel more bloated. It can eventually lead to infertility also. And in both men and women, it can exacerbate your acne. So जब cortisol high हो जाता है तो गड़बड़ हो जाती है, तो cortisol low होगा तो भी problems होंगी. So when your cortisol is low, you actually feel symptoms of brain fog. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, you're constantly tired, fatigued, bed में से निकलने का मन ही नहीं करता. You become more irritable, restless, and at the same time you start craving a lot of salty food. So this is what your body does to you in a low cortisol state. So ना cortisol ज़्यादा अच्छा है, ना cortisol low अच्छा है. We need to make sure that there is an equilibrium, and for that you need to take life easy. अब ये बात हो गई problems की, तो आते हैं solution पे. ऑर्गेनिकली घर पे रह के हम अपने कॉर्टिसोल को रेगुलेट कैसे कर सकते हैं विदाउट एनी हार्मोन रिप्लेसमेंट थेरेपी? सबसे पहले तो अपनी स्लीप को रेगुलेट करना है। ट्राई टू स्लीप विद इन 11 ओ क्लॉक। सोने के 1 घंटा पहले स्क्रीन नहीं लेना है। यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यूर ईटिंग हेल्दी, यूर वर्किंग आउट, देयर इज प्रोटीन इन एवरी मील। अगर आपका वेट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 60 kgs है तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू हैविंग 20 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन इन एवरी वन मील, योर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एज वेल एज योर डिनर। ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज पे फोकस करना है। दिन के 15-20 मिनट अपने आप को देना ही देना है। When the body is not at ease, it manifests disease. That's what disease is. So you have to go easy on your own self, learn to relax, learn to go easy, get out of your own head. Nobody really cares as much as you do. So you have to treat your health and your body like a sanctum, like a holy sanctuary. That's when it treats you well. And that is the only way to stay healthy and keep everything in check. किसी भी डॉक्टर के पास जाओ बट घर बैठ के सेल्फ डायग्नोज नहीं करो। सोशल मीडिया इज नॉट अ प्लेस वेयर यू गेट द आंसर्स फॉर दीज क्वेश्चंस। यू कैन डेफिनेटली गेट अ लिटिल मोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बट डेफिनेटली नॉट योर सॉल्यूशंस फॉर योर मेडिकल कंडीशंस। सो प्लीज गो सीक हेल्प एट द राइट टाइम एंड you're going to live a happy and a healthy life. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think this helped or resonated with you, please keep coming back for more. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll keep making more such content.